You know, I'm really excited to have this exhibition at Palazzo Strozzi called Shine. I worked on this exhibition with Arturo Calenzino and along with Joaquim Pizarro. And the idea was really to show the essence of my work, what I've been trying to do with my work over the last over 4 decades. What's always been important to me is to have a dialogue about what it means to be alive, how we can experience transcendence, how we can become. When I was a young artist, I realized that art can be this amazing vehicle which can connect us to all the human disciplines. And that gave me the ability to be able to experience art and that I could experience transcendence. And at the same time of having this understanding, I became aware that I could empower myself by accepting myself. And if I was able to accept who I am as an individual, then I could go outward and I could accept the rest of the world. That is really what is at the core, that's the basis of the show Shine. How we're able to experience the self and then experience everything else that surrounds us in the world.